Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to add multiple accounts on your WhatsApp using your iPhone. Here's how to do it. Open your WhatsApp app, click on You at the bottom right corner. After your name, you're going to see the plus icon. Click on it. You're going to see where it said Add Account. Now click on Add Account. Now it will prompt you to agree and continue the terms of service. Click on Agree. You will see an option to add a new number. Right now, you don't need to use WhatsApp Business for second account on iPhone. This update was introduced last week. So I'm going to set everything up and come back to this video. So after signing in with my second number, it didn't find any backup, so I'm going to skip. I'm going to skip the email. As you can see right here, I have logged in with my second account using one WhatsApp app. Let me show you. Just one WhatsApp. If I want to switch to my previous one, I'll click on You at the bottom right corner and click on the arrow icon after my name and click on the other one. It's going to switch to the other account. So that's how you add multiple accounts on WhatsApp. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.